You think you're lazy, but you're not. You're just tired of surviving. Burnout isn't always loud, sometimes it's just silence that feels heavy. You've been in survival mode for months, maybe years. Wake up, work, scroll, sleep, repeat. This isn't laziness, it's mental exhaustion, and it's killing your focus. The world told you you're unmotivated, but no one sees your invisible war. Fighting burnout while pretending to be fine. You're not lazy, your brain is tired of fighting battles it never trained for. Too much input. Zero rest. Fake urgency. No clarity. Real growth starts in silence, not noise. Try this. 1. 10 minutes of quiet every morning. 1 small win before checking your phone. 1 promise to yourself. And keep it. You're not lazy, you've just been lied to. You don't need more motivation, you need a system. Discipline, not dopamine. You're not broken, you're just tired, and tired can be fixed. But only if you stop lying to yourself. The Sigma path is silent, but powerful. Subscribe to Sigmind. We don't shout, we build.